Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification software from your Hotwav T5 Pro. So if you see something like that in your notification bar, or you have a spamming pop-ups when you're trying to visit any site, that means you have a notification software and you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. So now I'm gonna show you the first method. Open the settings, go to the apps and tap on the CL apps. Now check all the apps on this list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize name, just tap on it and select install button. Click on OK, and after that go back to the app list and now look for your web browser. Just give me a second. Okay, sorry about that, but this phone is a little bit slow. So once again, go to the apps, tap on the CL apps, and now look for your web browser. In my case it's Google Chrome. Then go to the storage and cache and tap the manage space. Select the clear all data and tap on the OK. After that your web browser should be free from notification software. But you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it now. Tap on the Get Started button and skip. Now close to Ads and choose Continuous Free. Tap on the green circle and choose OK. Now you have add a permission to the files. So tap on the switcher and go back. After that the scanning process should start automatically, and after that your phone should be free from any unwanted software that you have. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.